How to change reason on PS5. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your PSN account. Enter the correct login credential and then sign into your account. Once you are in here, click on the settings icon at the top right. Inside settings, head over to network. Now click on view PlayStation network status. Over here you can see it says all services are up and running. Once you have checked the network, go back to your settings and then head over to users and accounts. Move into other and then click on restore license. Wait for a while for it to complete. Once it has been restored, the next thing you want to do is head over to account at the top. The option of address or change your address will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it. Well, if I click on it, my QR scanner will be available to you. So for the privacy, I won't be clicking on it. But for you, if you want to change the address, click on it and then enter the specific reason that you want to set. Once you have entered, click on save and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can change the reason on PS5. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.